All right, Algebra 2, Module 3, Lesson 4. Still looking at these exponents, okay? Now, it says find the exact value of 9 to the 11/10th power and times 9 to the 2/5th power without using a calculator. When we have a common base and we're multiplying, what do we do with the exponents? We add them. So let's just do that. Let's say 11/10 plus 2/5. What do we got to have to add fractions? Common denominator. So 11/10 plus, that'll be 4/10. Everybody knows how to find common denominator? Everybody knows how to make equivalent fractions? Okay. That equals 15/10, which would also be, 3/2. Yeah. So 9 and 3/2. Now, what are we going to do? Got to keep going. That will be the square root of 9 to the 3rd power. Yeah. What is 9 to the 3rd power? 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 3, 240. No, 200 and a bunch. No, not 200. Is that right? 81 times 9, 729. Good. So, can we do that? Can that be square rooted? Anybody know that one? Yes, that is equal to 27. Anybody not understand what we just did? Anybody confused where we're at? Okay. Number 2 says justify that the cube root of 8 times the cube root of 8 is equal to the square root of 16. Using the properties of the exponents in at least, what does that say? 2 different ways. Okay. How are we going to do that? Okay. Why? Why are you going to do that? You want to do this? 8 to 1/3 times 8 to 1/3? Okay. Well, I mean, now what? And this would be what? 8 to the, or 16 to the 1/2? Okay, so this will be 8 to the 2/3. Is that equal to 16 to 1/2? So I don't know why you. See, I still have to go back to this. So that's the reason why I said I don't know why you would want to go to the exponents. But I mean, I guess to show 2 different ways. Kind of took the long route here. The way I would have done it was just simply to have said this is the same thing as 3 cube roots of 8 squared, right? You're just multiplying it together. So then that would equal the square root of 16. Well, that would be the cube root of 64. Square root of 16. And if you know the cube root of 64 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. So that checks out. Oh, so they did want you to do it with exponents, right? Using the property of exponents. Same thing though. I mean, we just did it earlier. What's another way we could do it? Let's see what they did. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, we're not going to do that. That works.